So FeedHenry is a solution for developing enterprise mobile apps. Two main elements to it. The first is a cross-platform element so that you develop your code once in HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and it runs on iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, Nokia Web Runtime and Windows Phone 7 devices. And the second is a server-side JavaScript element that allows you to integrate securely with your back-end systems with intelligent caching. The platform is a subscription model, so enterprises pay to use the platform and they pay a monthly subscription fee, and then they can develop as many apps as they want. But as those apps are deployed, the apps talk back to the server side, so the more the server side is used, the higher the monthly cost goes. The TSSG here in Carriganore West Campus, Waterford Institute of Technology, is a great stepping stone for commercial ventures like FeedHenry. For the first thing, the initial idea of FeedHenry started out as an applied R&D project funded by Enterprise Ireland, and through that we were able to build prototype software and get some real commercial customers like Eircom, the national operator in Ireland. But probably equally important is the sort of softer support system of the knowledge base and the number of other people, because there's sort of between 120 and 140 people in the TSSG, all of whom have got an excellent set of overlapping expertises in various technical topics. So just the ability to draw on that when you needed it was probably the number one factor in favour of locating here in Arc Labs. If you want to become more efficient, one very efficient way to do it is to understand your own processes within industry and just make them more efficient. But if you want to do something that's a little bit more game-changing and disruptive, then usually you need some left-of-field ideas, and that's where the link with an academic environment where people are brainstorming and thinking of new things really creates some new value. So potentially changing the way industries work and jumping on new bandwagons before people even realise they've left the station. What I have here is just a sample screenshot of one of our apps that we've done for the national broadcaster in Ireland, Radio Telefís Éireann, RTE. And this is an app called the RTE Pocket Player that allows you to listen to RTE radio stations on an Android phone using our app. It also illustrates one of the key questions we often get asked by customers, which is whether using our technology will be as powerful and as good as developing a native app. Because RTE had already gone to a competitor of ours to develop a native iPhone app, and when they use this Android one that we've developed, they can see that our Android one is just as good as the original native iPhone one.